Hello, beautiful people. Good morning. Dzień dobry. Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry.
Dobry, yes. Morning.
Morning.
We are going. Init lagi?
Balik mo sweet corn o boss?
Ah,
Sige, nana Silya.
lagi.
Sige. Nana Silya.
Guys, we are going to Razzle's farm because they're gonna be harvesting the sweet corn. So we're gonna let Robby experience that.
Yeah, because I don't know how.
He said he already experienced everything. Ay, Madam Razzle is here. I thought you started already. Oh, they've started.
Yes, kasi you're so very good guys.
Finish already.
Kasi nag-grabber man siya.
Yeah, because he doesn't like the insects. Kaya paakon ko siya.
Finish already.
Finish.
Abo, de kurba koshba.
Hala, look at this.
Bantay sa ganda.
Guys, this is the first harvest. See? Hala, very nice. Abundant of sweet corn. How many days is it, Razzle?
Months or days?
Ay, months.
2 months and
2 months and
15 days.
15 days. And now,
Depends on the seedless month.
yeah.
So these are the second.
The second batch. So it's still growing, yeah? So Razzle has a sweet corn sweet corn farm, guys. So,
A lot of dogs naman yung tao na.
yeah, why is there so many? Look at this, guys. It is very huge, the area. So, we're gonna check it out.
Who is this?
Look at this.
Brother.
His cousin. Ano? Nephew. Look. Second batch. And
Pwede mo bet. Ano to ka magkuhan?
how do you know it's ready na nang? How do you know that this one is ready?
Ano yan?
Huh?
You see the ano? Here.
Ah, okay. So if it's showing the corn, that means it's ready.
You start to design guys.
Ah, okay. This lane.
You try.
Try. Okay, I'm gonna try, guys.
try.
I know how to do that.
Okay, where? Kani na?
Oh.
Kani? Man, kani?
Oh.
Kani?
Oh yes. Then.
Ikaw man? Kani
Check it
ate
out.
ni?
Yeah. Okay. This picture.
Whoa! We're a sweet corn farmer.
Wow.
Dapat dagko na.
Ang pwede na nagkukag. Ay, galing good na kayo.
Guys, so this is how you harvest the sweet corn in Philippines. You don't have hat? It's so hot. Wait.
And hot also.
Ah, Tio. Mau na sa tunang. Apil
Oh.
to? My gosh, so many man di ay.
Ay, napas na rin.
Imagine 3 of these corns is gonna be 1 kilo. 1 kilo is 40 pesos. Yeah?
Oh, Razzle rich today.
Razzle's rich today, guys. We're gonna drink some beer.
Yeah, drink some pondador here.
Yeah. Oh my god. Ah, there's also here. Ratio ano lang, no?
Huh?
This is a very nice experience. Look, you throw it here. You wanna do it, honey? Try. Help Razzle. Okay.
Yes, okay.
The Polish man is now a farmer, not a handyman. Tanawa guys, puting guys siya mang harvest.
Harvest, no?
Oh, very fast. Uy.
Asli nga nito sa kan?
Yeah, they have.
Oh.
They have a farm also in.
So much corn
They also have so many corn in Poland, guys.
for cows.
For cows and here for people.
4,000 here na people.
Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. Ah. Lanang, datuwa dyan mo ani nang. Pero dako sa kay gasto nang, no?
What happened to this here then? This.
Ah. eating cow?
Cow.
Yeah.
The cow ate it. Crazy, yeah? My gosh.
Saan ko di pag-harvest doon?
Honey is so quick, one-handed. Wow. Guys, look how nice and green the area is. It's so nice. Wow. Looks so good. Look, it goes all the way there. Can you see? Razzle is a businesswoman. She is working. At the same time, she has a sweet corn business, guys. Very hardworking girl. Okay guys, we're done. They're done. I was just filming them pretty much. Robby is there helping my uncle. He's somewhere putting all of the sweet corn to the sack. Honey, let's go. Let's go to the main road and see how's the pile now. You guys have seen it earlier. It was a lot already. Oh, it's actually a bit itchy, you know, when you go around the sweet corn. Oh, guys. Guess how many kilos everything's gonna be? It's gonna be like 200 kilos, I think, because it's a lot. Farmer, handyman, tanan na lang. Construction, unsa pa? Tigkuan sakyanan, unsa pa jud? Oh my gosh. Okay. These are everything. Whoa. So many, Razzle. Look at this, guys. A lot. Honey is there, guys. Look. Honey, it's gonna be itchy in the arm.
Okay.
Okay.
I will survive.
Look. How many kilo is this gonna be, guys? 3 pieces is like 1 kilo, you know? So many. Okay, guys, our first customer for today is Mr. Handyman.
Duha.
Okay.
Duha diha.
Oh, 2 ka kilo.
Awa diha witness.
2 kilos is 3 pieces. 5 pieces?
It's a small one, man.
Ah, small. So the big ones, guys, 3 pieces is almost 1.5 kilo. So again, it's 40 pesos per kilo. Coke. Coke.
Napay, gikon dito ba? Hatag.
Okay. That is...
Yes, please.
Hold. He's the money guy now.
How to do that?
Yeah. No. No, like this. Like this. Lengthwise. Lengthwise. No. Lengthwise, yeah, like that.
Yeah.
And then like that. Like that. Very good. Ah, okay, tulo.
Cash machine.
Yeah. Yeah. See? You can be a truck boy now of the jeepney. Give it to Razzle. Oh, thank you. Very good.
Very good.
You wanna drink Coke, honey?
I take.
Yeah. Okay guys, we are back here at home. It was a very short, quick visit at Razzle's farm. I think they've already finished harvesting everything. They just had to double check, make sure everything has been harvested so that nothing is gonna go to waste, because if a sweet corn goes old, you cannot eat it anymore actually. So anyway, we're back here and look at Robby cleaning the windows, guys, and here I am working on a video for you guys tonight. So this is the situation currently, guys. We actually ran out of gas, so we're gonna have to refill gas. I've had that gas for 6 months actually, so it's pretty good. I'm buying gas like twice a year, not too bad. So we're gonna go get gas because we cannot cook anything at all. I actually cooked breakfast at mom's earlier so we can have eggs and bread. But yeah, anyway, just working on this one right now so you guys can watch it tonight. Hey guys, we are heading to get gas now. We don't have gas and it's 1 p.m. We didn't have lunch yet. So we have to get gas and then cook lunch. It's in another barangay, guys. We got the gas in the back, 12 kilogram. And we are now on the bad road. Robby did a good job in harvesting the sweet corn of Razzle. I wonder how much everything cost. Oh my god. Very bad road, guys. Oh, this is spraying the grass, so it stopped growing.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Because it's burning. The
Yeah.
sun is burning the gas.
yeah. Look,
It's too hot.
too hot. He's spraying it with some chemical. Hello guys! It is currently 4 p.m. I actually took a nap because it was very hot earlier and Robby has been putting silicone on the ceiling because he doesn't want any holes or any places where any ants or roaches or any of the crawling creeks will get into the house. Okay, we have here one sweet corn from Razzle's farm. We're gonna grill this one in mommy's barbecue place. Look, ano di kay kuan customer? Muha na? Hot coke. Oh, look. So Robby wants it grilled. We're just gonna eat half. So we're gonna cut it in half, and then we're gonna grill it, guys. We actually got 2 pieces, you know. So overall, Razzle harvested about 350 kilogram of sweet corn. 350 mi. Yeah, tag 40 pesos per kilo. Kuanye! Iwa?
Yeah.
Cheers. It's very hot. Ta-da! Guys, Robby washed the curtains. Look. 1, 2 on the other side. The sun coming down. Guys, Razzle is here. Where is the millionaire? Where is the millionaire, babe? Guys, Razzle. Guys, Razzle is drunk now. Oh my goodness.
You know, I'm so big, but I got drunk.
Ah, but you're English already, huh? Oh my goodness.
Where's the tequila or the wine?
You ask him what does he have?
Robby, did you have tequila or?
Better than tequila. You like tequila?
Yes! Tequila. What?
Bimber, the best alcohol in the world.
Lubog na ka?
Search namin ako.
Di na mo ni Adto.
You got work tomorrow?
Yes!
No work tomorrow then.
Yes, I have a
Okay. Yeah, vodka.
This one?
Yeah.
Vodka?
Yes. Homemade vodka. Bimber.
Wait.
Ah, you have to cheers.
Cheers. Robby, cheers.
How do you say cheers?
Cheers.
Na zdrowie.
Good.
It's good, yeah?
Sweet, yeah?
It's sweet, but at the end, there's like hot in your body. Her face is so funny. She's drunk now, I can tell. Because of her eyes.
20.
20%?
Okay. What is this, honey? Whiskey?
It's the same, Bimber.
Ah,
Did you eat your dinner now?
not yet.
Did you eat your dinner?
Dinner tomorrow.
Saika is here, guys. Hi.
Say hi to the vlog.
And Mark. Say it.
John Mark.
John Mark.
Do you know that so maybe a sweet girl there?
No, it's okay. We have sweet corn. See? Look.
Kabalo ka mama is iglabot ka sa ruwa.
Ka naman.
Ano na mga tagay ko no?
Ko na. di ay.
Kamu kamera mo dyan.
Sanda, di man magkuan kay magkuan man siya.
Because the best.
Your sweet corn the best, yeah.
Best in the city.
Like 290 kilos for the large.
290.
Yeah.
For 42, right?
Good.
Then the 55, the smaller one. So
55.
I have 13,000 K.
Very good. That's good, yeah. 13,000 pesos, guys.
Different
Oh
taste.
my God, I'm so right. Wait, sorry then.
You can split it for two.
It's very.
Me more, see? You want more?
It's good for only two. But I'm only one.
And then
Let me get the car.
And then there's another
for the
one.
morning, this is for you.
Oh
In
my
the morning
God.
you
What do
drink.
you call this one? What do you call this
Sake.
one?
Sake.
Sake.
Yes.
Soccer what? Robby. I just want to say sorry for my behavior
Oh,
yesterday.
kurwa, stop.
I have a chocolate, right? With
Yeah. Where's the chocolate? Give it to Seika.
Seika.
Sake,
Chocolate.
take.
That's
Just give
that's
it-
Razzle's chocolate. Ate Razzle.
Just give it to one. Robby just cheers.
Nazdrovie, you say.
Robby I'm sorry for.
Laki, uy, sa muka.
Sa boca.
Sa
What's that
muka.
something?
That's
No,
sake.
that's sake, no good.
What do you
You
call
wanna
it?
try sake?
Yeah, try. Let her try.
When
One shot.
I could try this one.
Yeah, try.
No, not one shot.
Robby.
Just on the bottom.
I'm sorry for my behavior.
Your second name, sorry.
Sorry. Yeah.
Sorry. This is no good.
Huh?
This is
Try.
no good.
Let her try.
Little bit. You don't like it. Yeah.
Is it liquor?
Oh my God, look.
Liquor or
Not liquor is terrible, this one.
Look at her face.
No, just try a bit more. This is not enough.
Hey guys, it's evening time now. Currently, it's 8:45 p.m. and Razzle went home. She got drunk. OMG. They actually were drinking with her siblings for like, I don't know how many hours, but I think they finished like 2 cases of beer. That's like 12 bottles. And then Robby wanted to drink with her. So they drank like bimber and whiskey, vodka, and you're not supposed to like mix those. So Razzle got really drunk. She had to go home. Anyway, yeah, okay. Well, Robby did quite a lot today. He actually washed the curtains. And then he said it's better not to put white. We're just gonna have one color, so we removed the white. And then he did a lot of work on the ceiling, guys, because he was trying to close all gaps, any entries that ants might go in. So he did a lot of silicone in all ceiling here in the living area, kitchen. So the entire ceiling, he did the silicone, guys. So I don't know if you guys can see it on the video though, but all of that, he did the silicone over here all the way. So yeah, that's what he did today. And he also like put, oh wait, he also put some screws, because as you know, the ceiling is not perfectly being done, guys. Look, the gap. He put a screw over here, and then here he put another screw as well, and then all the way there. So yeah, and then today, guys, we sent the sizes of the boards and we asked for the coat for the kitchen. That's gonna be our plan. Robby did all the sizing, edging, and yeah, everything of that. So we got the coat. It is quite huge, but it's not including the quartz yet. So yeah, we'll see. Maybe we're gonna start knocking down this old kitchen, this kitchen that we have currently. But the problem that we're having right now is that we could not find the exact same tiles that I have currently, guys, in Cebu Home Builders. That's where I got it. In Seaside, they don't have it, and they said that it has been discontinued because they would normally like change the style every 2 years, and And you guys recall when I got this house, it was like 5-6 years ago. So it's been too long. I did not expect though that we would like do the kitchen. Well, anyway, it has been a long day today. Going to experience, it was a lovely day experiencing the sweet corn, and it was a hot day, guys. Crazy. All right, anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the vlog so far, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.